Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best iPhone lenses is probably one of the most exciting upgrades you can make to your mobile photography setup. These compact marvels unlock a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to capture stunning wide-angle shots, detailed macro images, and cinematic portraits, all with the convenience of your iPhone. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, the right lens can transform your everyday snapshots into works of art. Number 5. Xenvo Pro Lens Kit for iPhone and Android. This lens kit works with all smartphones, tablets, and laptops, including iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, and more. It includes a wide-angle lens, a macro lens, a lens clip, an LED light, a lanyard, a case, and a cleaning cloth. This kit has everything you need to take great photos. Capture 45% more picture with every snap using the wide-angle lens. It's crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum and premium optical glass for durability and clarity. The multi-element, coated glass lenses minimize ghosting and reflections. This lens is ideal for both hobbyists and photography pros. Marvel your senses with the macro lens, which magnifies nearby subjects for super close-up photos. Capture all the details with precision focus. For best results, position it about half an inch from the subject. The lens clip offers superior gripping power. The Glow Clip LED light clips anywhere on your phone to instantly illuminate your subject. It provides warm, continuous light, which is superior to your smartphone's built-in flash. It has 3 brightness settings: low, medium, and high. Transport and protect your lens kit with the travel case. The case stores and protects all components safely. The quick-release lanyard is the perfect way to carry the lenses with you. Just drape it around your neck and access the lenses in a flash. What we like. This kit offers a wide-angle lens to capture more of the scene, a macro lens for detailed close-ups, and a built-in LED light. It's perfect for those who want versatility in their shots, especially in low-light conditions. If you're looking to elevate your mobile photography with both wide shots and detailed macros, while also having a light source, you should consider this one. What people say. The lenses are well made and sharp and would recommend this product if you really need to get a little closer or wider. Works with or without case. The macro and wide-angle lenses do work, and the LED light is a cool feature for low-light shots. Number 4. KEYWING 3-in-1 Phone Camera Lens Kit. This 3-in-1 lens kit includes a 20x macro lens. It allows you to get incredibly close to your subject, revealing details you've never seen before. The best focusing distance is between 1.18 and 3.54 inches. The 120 degrees wide-angle lens expands your field of view by 10%. It's perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or fitting more people into your shots. This lens helps you see more of the world. The 198 degrees fisheye lens creates a strong visual effect. It distorts the image for a fun and creative look. This lens makes everything look cuter. These professional HD lenses use advanced lanthanide optical glass. This reduces reflections and ghosting, providing amazing clarity and detail. The high-quality aluminum shell ensures durability. The clip-on design makes it simple to attach the lenses to your phone. Just clip it on, and you're ready to go. The clip has soft rubber to protect your phone from scratches. The lenses are compatible with most smartphones, including iPhones and Samsung devices. The universal clip design makes it easy to use. Remember to remove your phone case for the best results. The kit includes the wide-angle lens, fisheye lens, macro lens, universal clip, storage bag, and user manual. Everything you need to enhance your phone photography is here. What we like. This kit features a fisheye, a wide-angle, and a macro lens, all in one package. The fisheye lens provides a unique, distorted perspective, while the wide-angle expands your field of view. If you like to experiment with creative shots and want a simple clip-on solution, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Outstanding product turns any phone into a great camera. I purchased this set mainly for the 20x macro lens. I needed it for a botany assignment. I wasn't expecting much since it was so inexpensive, but I was pleasantly surprised. I got close enough to see an ant's eyes and the ovules inside a blueberry flower, which is pretty friggin' close. It was easy to attach to my phone, Pixel 7 Pro. While some of the reviews mention the inability to focus, the package has directions and troubleshooting to avoid this. You have to have the case off to use effectively, which to some might be an issue, but honestly, it's worth it. All 3 lenses came with no scratches, covers on both ends, and they're metal, which is awesome. The clip fit over my phone lenses perfectly. There's a carrying bag to aid in portability that keeps everything together. I wish it was a bit less jangly, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. The clip is super strong, and provides great stability. The overall image quality once you get it dialed on is awesome. Number 3. Phone Camera Lens 3-in-1 Kit for Samsung and Android. Tired of blurry phone photos? This lens kit is designed with premium optic lenses and industrial-grade aluminum. It allows you to capture shots with amazing clarity and detail. This kit has 3 amazing lenses. It includes a 120 degrees wide-angle lens for group shots, a 198 degrees fisheye lens for creative effects, and a macro lens to reveal microscopic textures. The wide-angle and macro lenses operate separately. You can instantly switch from vast scenery to ultra-close details. It saves time and enhances your creative freedom. Attaching this lens is super easy. Just clip it on, and screw the lens. The rubber grip prevents slippage and protects your device from scratches. It's compatible with most smartphones. Enjoy a 30-day refund guarantee, even after use. You'll also get 24/7 support via email. Tutorial videos are available to guide you through setup and advanced techniques. What we like. This kit focuses on premium quality lenses and offers the flexibility of using wide-angle and macro lenses independently. It's designed for those who want high-quality images with the convenience of a clip-on design. If you're looking for a balance of quality and ease of use, this is the one for you. What people say. The clip-on design is super easy and functional, and I haven't had any issues using it on my old iPhone 8. The fisheye and wide-angle lenses give my photos and videos a unique look, and the macro lens captures great detail. Each lens cushioned in its own foam hole. I fully expected these to be plastic housings and acrylic polycarbonate lenses, and pleasantly surprised the housings are machined aluminum steel and look and feel remarkably like the lenses on my SLR, just much smaller. The machining is done well and the lenses feel like quality products. They are polarized and coated just like any quality lens. With thick plastic, snap-on covers for the front of the lens and the tail end of the lens. If I don't lose the covers, they are nice and sturdy and will probably last the life of the lens. I have used only the macro lens to take close-up shots of watches and whatnot around the house, and they have come out incredibly well. I am using an iPhone 8 Plus. Much better than without the lenses in place. It takes a bit of practice getting the lenses positioned correctly over the iPhone lens. You just have to have the camera app up and move the clip around until the picture is clear. The wide-angle lens has a bit of the vignette effect on the outer edges of the picture, but easily cropped out during editing. It does give more of a wide-angle shot, and the fisheye lens definitely gives a cool fisheye effect. Probably going to be my least use lens. With the kit comes a soft gray carrying bag that doubles as a lens wipe. Everything fits inside the bag, so if you are on the go you can throw the lenses and clip into the bag and take it with you. Number 2. Godefa 14-in-1 Phone Camera Lens Kit. This kit includes a variety of lenses, such as wide-angle, macro, and fisheye. It also comes with a selfie ring light with adjustable brightness. This allows you to capture stunning photos and videos. The kit offers a wide range of effects. You can use the wide-angle lens to capture more of the scene or the macro lens to get detailed close-up shots. There are also telephoto, fisheye, and other special effect lenses. The lenses are made with high-quality glass. This ensures that your photos are sharp and clear, with minimal distortion. You'll notice the difference in the quality of your images. Explore creative options with kaleidoscope, starburst, and radial filter lenses. These lenses add unique visual effects to your photos. They are perfect for adding a creative touch to your shots. This kit is designed to work with most smartphones. It uses a clip-on design that easily attaches to your phone. It's compatible with iPhones, Samsung Galaxy phones, and many other devices. What we like. This kit stands out with its 14 different lenses, including a selfie light and various creative filters. It's designed for users who want maximum versatility and a wide range of effects. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit with many creative options, you should consider this one. What people say. These work great, and fit my phone 14 Max perfect. I love the wide angle and the fun colors. So easy to clip on and very high quality. Love the hard case they come in with foam separators for each lens. The picture quality is perfect. The camera lenses are very good quality, it's easy to use and easy to change the lenses quickly, different lenses has different zoom range, the wide angle lens works as expected. Number 1. Cell Phone Camera Lens Kit, Wide Angle, Macro, Fisheye. This amazing kit includes a variety of lenses to enhance your phone's camera. It offers everything you need to take stunning photos and videos. With this, you can capture the world in new and exciting ways. The lenses are made with high-quality glass for sharp, clear images. They minimize distortion and vignetting, ensuring your photos look professional. The quality of the lens directly impacts the quality of your photos. The wide-angle lens captures a broader scene, perfect for landscapes and group shots. The macro lens lets you capture incredible detail up close. These lenses will help you to explore different perspectives. The telephoto lens provides high-quality zoom capabilities. The fisheye lens gives a fun, circular view of the world. They will bring more fun to your photography. The kit includes kaleidoscope, starburst, radial, flow, and soft filter lenses. Each lens offers a unique visual effect. Experiment with them to add creativity to your photos. This kit is designed to work with almost all smartphones. It's portable and easy to use with a clip-on design. It is compatible with iPhone, Samsung, and many other Android devices. What we like. This kit offers 11 different lenses, including wide-angle, macro, fisheye, and various filter effects. It's designed for users who want maximum versatility and a wide range of effects. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit with many creative options, you should consider this one. What people say. The lenses are sturdy and the carrying case is also very sturdy. The lenses took me some trial and error to figure out, but after some test runs I had it down pat. There's also a manual if you're not sure. Fits over my thick phone case. Great product. The lenses and overall product are easy to use and are a great value for the price. The lenses work very well and make taking photos super unique and fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.